Alright, quick crash course on information security basics. Application, data, and host security. If you build apps, run systems, or just care about keeping things safe, this is for you. Picture this, your app ships, users love it, and a week later, someone finds a hole and walks off with your data. Not fun. Application security. Think of your app as a house, doors, windows, locks, control every entry point. Start with input validation, never trust user input. Sanitize, validate, encode, authentication, and authorization correctly. Strong auth, MFA, least privilege for roles. API tokens. If a service only needs read, don't give it write. Manage secrets the right way, no hard-coded keys. Use a secrets manager and rotate keys regularly. Patch your dependencies. Keep a software bill of materials. Automate scanning and PIN versions. Protect data in transit, TLS everywhere. Use HTTPS by default, HSTS helps. Secure coding isn't just vibes, use guardrails, linting, SAST and DAST and CI, threat modeling before you ship. New? Skim the OWASP top 10 and kill low-hanging fruit. Data is the prize, protect it at rest, in transit, and in use. Encrypt databases, encrypt disks and backups, use strong ciphers, manage KMS, and keep keys separate from data. TLS 1.2 or higher with strong suites. Use cert pinning where it makes sense. Minimize exposure. Don't load PII into logs or analytics. Mask and tokenize. If someone doesn't need raw data, give them a safe view. Least privilege and separation of duties. Grant just-in-time access with short-lived credentials. Audit who can read production data, then cut it down. Collect only what you need. Define retention and secure deletion. Backups. 3 copies. 2 media. 1 off-site. Test restores. Host security. Laptop, server, container. Start with hardening. Patch the OS and firmware. Disable extras and use SSH keys, not passwords. Restrict by IP. Use EDR or reputable endpoint protection. Segment networks and put admin interfaces behind a VPN. Block east-west movement where you can. No shared admin accounts, least privilege again. Use sudo with logging, screen locks, secure boot, and disk encryption. Run minimal images, scan them, and don't run as root. Secure the app, validate inputs, lock auth, manage secrets, scan before you ship. Secure the data, encrypt, control access, reduce exposure, back it up, and test restores. Secure the host, harden and patch, protect endpoints, segment networks, watch the logs. Keep it simple, automate what you can, and iterate. Security is a habit,